Okay, progress. Got the doorway walk area cleared a little bit, and I'm making my way through. I've got this much in the wheelbarrow, so definitely I've got to get up front. I even hit a little bit here in this area, but yeah, I'm gonna actually use my tiller to till out this area. You see the bee? I don't know if you see him. He's loving these little flowers. I wish I had other flowers here for him to love. I saw a couple of them out here. So they'll not be too disappointed when I uproot them all. So one good thing that I want to point out, and I hope you can hear me because I have a mask on. I guess I'll take the mask off. The one good thing is, like, if I waited a little longer, I noticed last year when I pulled these same little weedy flowers up, when I went to pull them up, and usually have my glove on. I have my glove when I'm doing this, but I double glove. I'm just going to sake of showing this real quick. So when I go to pull these up, last year, all of the little seeds flew from them when I grabbed them. So I tried to do it real gentle. What I've noticed is it must not really be time for them to shoot off, because I have not been experiencing that. Now I'm not really catching the root like I should here, but this is what I've been doing, and I'm really so happy that these things are not like shooting seeds all over the place when I pull them up, like they did last year, because that would just make more of them like it did this year, all over the place. So yeah, just a good tip that if you start early, it seems like you won't have seeds from these little weeds all over the place.